Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD, Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal section. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning. Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn the importance of marketing.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on marketing management. Today we are going to understand importance of marketing. Marketing is a system of interacting business activities designed to plan, price, promote and distribute want satisfying products and services to present and potential customers. Marketing is analyzing, planning, implementing and controlling of activities related to need or want satisfaction. The marketing activities is important to producers, customers, society and Indian economy as described here. Well, if we look to them one by one, we say let us look to importance to the producers first. Point number one over here, that marketing makes business planning possible. Marketing and marketing research activities tell the producer that how much to produce and what to produce, at what price, what promotion, etc. It also tells about demand and supply gaps in the market and future trends. Without forecasting and knowing about product price or geographical convenience of the consumers, it becomes almost impossible to plan. Second, it helps business decision making. Decisions are based on environment and other variables. Decision making is much helped by marketing activities like marketing research, planning, analyzing, selling, promotional activities, etc. Well, number three is marketing increases profits. Profits are much increased by marketing activities like promotion and selling. While selling, inclusive of personal selling and sales promotion and publicity and public relations, etc. Well, sales generated is more, and if sales is more, obviously we can say that profits are more. Let's say it goes for image enhancement. The images of corporate, organization and product is enhanced with advertising, publicity, personal selling and sales promotion activities. It is also enhanced with other marketing activities. Well, next talks about value addition. Value addition by various marketing activities like analyzing product, price and other related things, planning marketing programs, etc. are much useful for producers. Next, we can say that marketing is a communication between the firm and the society. Of course, the firms need to communicate with the society, and that need is fulfilled by marketing activities. Well, if we look to importance to the society, we say that marketing provides standards of living. Newer products, cutting prices and other competitive activities provide better products to consumers at less price. It also provides employment. Employment in marketing activities is probably the largest in India. It is in the areas like selling, advertising, researching, etc. Provide direct employment to so many people, while indirectly it also helps in employment generation like distribution. Well, let us say marketing becomes a kind of protection while there is a recession in the economy. During recession or depression, marketing provides some assurance that some sales will be done and organization sustainability is protected there. Marketing helps increasing national income too. Marketing by providing standards of living and employment generation, of course, obviously helps in increasing national income. Well, it also reduces distribution cost by increasing volume of distribution. Going together always decreases distribution per unit. It creates dynamic environment too. Marketers become dynamic by competitive environment, and thus the development of capacities to sustain against changes in the economy and in the market is there. Importance to consumers, if we look at, consumers get quality and quantity of product. Caveat vendor instead of caveat emptor, and ultimately we can say consumers become the uncrowned king of the market. If we look them one by one, let us say quality and quantity of the product is always increased by competition. Well, this is the view of capitalistic society, if you say, or if you say it goes against the views of the socialistic pattern of society, but quality and quantity is increased with competition because they are, I mean to say, producers are in a queue to provide better products to the consumers because they have to sell, because competition is there. Caveat vendor means it's something like vendor beware, and caveat emptor means buyer beware. Well, buyer beware, purchase at your own risk to sell at your own risk because you have produced. This is generated out of marketing activities only. Specifically, it is implemented and much more awareness is spread by the government of India by the slogan Jagore Jagore Jagore, by some private companies, and even Jago Grahak Jago by Indian government. It's there. Consumer Protection Act 1986 provided a great protection to consumers by providing their own grievances cells and by providing several laws against, you can say, consumer protection. Out of this, consumers' desires and wishes are all important for organizations. Ultimately, consumer will be uncrowned king and is now uncrowned king of the market. All organizations slowly becomes consumer centric out of competition and marketing activities, etc. Thus, customers' words becomes the rule. Thus, we can say that customer is the uncrowned king of the market. This was about importance of marketing. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.